Amen.
I love you. Love you. Ay, I love you. Oh, hindi.
For years, battle tested. Its frames twisted. Restores when
Oh, kung paano.
Ito yung wifi nila.
Hello. 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 Ha. Ha.
Ang nakita, Dad, yung lola niya,
Malaki ka na.
sabi ni Auntie Dulce, sabi niya, maganda pang alagaan to, kaya ko. Teka, pero hindi siya continuous na nasa barko. Parang ano lang.
Celebrate life and each other and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld San Diego.
Tulog na po ang baby namin.
Another important husbandry behavior is monitoring the whale weight. The whales are able to slide up on to the whale size scale. Now this is a great example of the true purpose behind
Whoa, Candace. Clyde, you guys are late.
Late for what? Oh, rehearsal. Yeah, sorry. We were just trying to
Walk on all four flippers just like that. Now our seal friends, they are gonna move a little bit more like this. Very nice heel impression. Now these guys, like you heard earlier, are also very soulful. Okay. Now these guys are also packed full of muscle too, so that helps them when they either need to capture their prey. And down, ready? 1, 2, 3, start jumping. Very nice, okay. Let's do one more. So this time, you're gonna start spinning in a circle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go for it. And you're dancing with Seymour. Very nice job. Well, you're doing awesome so far, so I'm gonna have you feed him, all right? So, I get you a photo. So you're gonna go with my friend Megan. She's gonna set you up by the glass over here. All right, so Seymour is gonna put his head right behind you, just like this. And on the count of 3, everybody say smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Everybody give it up for Seymour and our future.
hold on. I think it's the other way. Clyde, should we tell him? Okay. Say waterproof. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was amazing! Everybody give it up for
We can really make a splash. Captivators and amaze. Everybody had a blast. Now it's time to make a wave. In the water playing, fascinating life. Now we're celebrating. Take a ride, go with the tide, laughing in the starlight. We've had the most fun on the coast, making happy memories. More wonders, learning each other, enjoying the mystery. Take a ride, go with the tide, laughing in the
Have a great rest of your day right now. San Diego. Goodbye, buddy.
The Sea Lion experience doesn't have to end here. Visit Sea Lion Point